Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some crackling envelope. Now this is not my idea. I saw this video from Kathy's Garden. I put Kathy's video down below. She made these lovely envelopes and I can totally see what she meant when she said that this envelope are very tactile and very playful. So the starting point is a cereal liner which we crinkle, put some ink and use it to decorate papers on that background. So I made two, and of course I decorated with some of my digital papers and some napkins. So this is what they look like on the back, and this is what they look like inside. They're quite big, so I kept it quite big on purpose, but yeah, you can make this in any sizes. And that is the back. I love it. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear the crinkle? But yeah, keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, this is the cereal liner from my cereal box. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're just going to crackle. We want to make like a little ball, so it's all cranked up. Okay, let me open it back up. So see, you get all these lovely veins. And then I'm using the Distress Oxide, the Vintage Photo, and then with the brush, okay, so you can see everything now. If I put the music sheet paper as a background, but if I use both of them, you can definitely see the effect. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it, glue it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I've done, the side that it's got the ink, you put it inside to cover the paper. So the side that you touch is the clear side. Okay, and I know exactly what Kathy meant. It's very tactile. I love it. It's an amazing texture. So now we're going to make the actual envelope. So what Kathy did, she folded it. She didn't measure anything. She's very similar to me. That's what I like watching her tutorial, a video, because she don't measure anything, and I love that. So literally she folded it like that, and I think I'm gonna do the same. And then I'm going to put a little double-sided tape on the side. Okay, and that is your actual envelope. If I remember correctly, I think Kathy stitched them on the sewing machine, but I'm not going to do that. So that's one. Oh, I love it. I really like it. Now do the same. So we fold that up, and we fold this down. We do that, and then so that's on the other way around, because this is on the wrong way around. Never mind. So again, I'm gonna put double-sided tape. Okay, and then Kathy put some lace in there, so I'll have a look at what I've got. And also she uses napkins, so I'll just have a look and I'll be right back. Okay, so Kathy used napkins, so she glued some napkins on top. But what I want to do, I want to use my photos. This is one of the page from my mega bundle treasure from the attic. It's a collection of 166 digital pages, and now with my summer sale it only costs £10. Yes, so get your hands in there. And I think I'm going to use some of these photos. So I'm just going to cut them and I'm just going to glue them on the bottom here and maybe some on the other side, because I've got, like, on this page here there is 9 photos, so I'm just gonna do like a little collage, and then to close it we're just gonna use some ribbon. Okay, so I have applied the napkins now. I think, and I put some closure, this is just literally like trimmings, literally like ribbons that I just put together into a knot like that, just to keep it together. But it's just some different textures and different colors. So this one here, I put my 2 photos on the back, and then on top, I don't know if you can see it, I put this have I got it here? I don't know if I've got any left. No, I think I got just little bits and pieces. So it was a napkin, but the background was like white, like plain, and there was some flowers, so you got these lovely details of the flowers on top of the pictures. And then the side of the envelope, so the front one, when it opened, I just put some little lace decoration, because, and then you put your things inside. I can completely understand what Kathy said about being textile, so you can, and it's quite a nice texture when you touch it, because we crinkle the plastic, and of course you can see the paper through with the inks that we made. Okay, so this is one. And then the second one, I didn't really like it because I think the napkin that I have used, it was simply too dark. So I just put the 2 photos, and then the napkin on the front, I put on top. I had like a black background, so the napkin wasn't see-through, so hence why you can't really see much. I mean, you can still recognize the 2 pictures, but the details of the photos are gone. So if you compare that one with that one, you see it's completely lost all details. So I recommend use plain napkins, or napkins that's got some pattern but nothing on the background, so when you attach it, you know, it's easy. Now, a little tip that I'm going to give you, and I'm not going to do it, but because we attached the napkin into a plastic background, if you really want to, you can peel it off, because basically the glue made the napkin stronger. I've done a video about it now. I can't remember. If I remember how it's called, I will link it down below. But I've done a video on how to play with napkins and make it see-through embellishment. If you want me to, we can do a separate video another time. So what you simply do, use glue into napkins, and you make the napkin stronger, like a little window, like a little see-through window, and you can decorate it. But if you wanted to, we can do another video another time. Just leave me a comment down below. This is my website, antoniomakes.com. Of course, it's June, so throughout the month of June we have a summer sale. I only do 2 sales a year, one just after Christmas and one in June for summer sale. All my digital papers, so if you click on digital papers here, all my digital papers are discounted up to 50% off. Some are less, some are more. You can get your hands on my Christmas paper for literally half price. All my books are half price, every single one of them, from £3.99 to £2. So again, throughout from the 1st of June until the 30th of June. And then when you join my monthly membership, so my VIP lounge, where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We do in alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month. which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalog. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. So yeah, so that's the 2 envelopes. Hope I give you some idea. Thank you so much, Kathy, for the inspiration. I will put Kathy's link down below as well, so you can see her original video, but this is my interpretation. Of course, I'll link everything I have used, including my kit, down below as well, so for your reference if you wish to support me further. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Really support. It's much appreciated. I will see you in a couple of days for another video, and until then, stay safe and well. Bye.